Hi guys, it's me Anne, and I would really like to thank you for the response that you gave me for my last video, which was a fairy garden video. And if you haven't seen that video yet, I will leave the link for you down below in the description box. Now that was a Lion King themed fairy garden, and as I had said earlier in that video that I couldn't find any figurines online for Timon, Simba and Pumbaa, the characters from that movie, so I had to make my own. A few of you wanted to see how I made those figurines. Now I'm not sure whether this video will help you to make or replicate these figurines, and I am not going to give you clear tips and techniques of how to do it. I'm just going to show you how I did it and how I got to achieving the characters that I put in my fairy garden. Before we get into the video, I'll just quickly tell you what polymer clay is. Polymer clay is a modeling clay that can be hardened, and it is based on the polymer polyvinyl chloride, which is PVC. Now this clay can be kneaded and made soft before using, and then it has to be cured, that is, it has to be heated and baked in an oven. When you bake it in an oven, it hardens. Now the best part about polymer clay is when you're molding it, you can leave it out for a while and it won't dry up when you leave it out in the air, and you can come back, you can continue to mold your figurines and then go back, do your work, come back again. It will only harden when you bake it in your oven. There's one more thing that's really good about polymer clay is that once you've baked your figurine, you can add more polymer clay to it, add more features to that figurine that you've made and bake it again. So you can bake it multiple times and it won't affect your figurine at all. The figurine will remain the same and the new parts that have been added will bake and harden, and you can keep building your figurine. So that gives you a lot of leeway and it gives you a lot of flexibility to work with various figurines. Now without wasting any time, let's have a look at how I made the figurines.
The jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight.
enjoyed this video, and I hope it's encouraged you in some way to use polymer clay. So do let us know in the comments down below if you're going to use polymer clay to make figurines, or if you've already done that, we would love to hear from you. If you've liked this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and if you're new around here and watching us for the first time, please do subscribe to our channel and join this green community. So I'll see you soon again. Till then, stay green.